हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। So in today's video we are going to make no glue no borax slime recipes, and yeah guys, we are making this purely no glue no borax slime recipe. This doesn't include any fevigum, any fevicol, any borax, anything. This is completely no glue no borax slime recipes, and I know you guys have been literally requesting this from so long, and today we are here with truly no glue no borax recipes which you guys can literally make at home super easily. So if you guys are excited, then make sure to hit that like button, and if you guys still aren't subscribed, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our fantastic family. Now without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. So the first ingredient we need is air dried clay, and yeah, this is not an Independence Day theme video, but the colors are just so cute, so I choose these colors. And yeah, let's take a bowl and let's take out all of these into a bowl. I hope this turns into a nice color. So this turned into this brownish color, and this literally just looks like a scoop of ice cream. You guys, can you see how pretty that's? My god, this looks so pretty. It almost matches my nail polish. So yeah, now we are going to add our second ingredient, that is shaving foam. So yeah, let's add the shaving foam. Now let's mix these together. Hopefully this won't ruin our slime. So as you guys can see, I have mixed everything together. Can you guys see that? It literally became so stretchy. It's optional, but if you want to make your slime even more stretchy, you guys can add some lotion into it. But since this is like a 2-ingredient recipe, shaving foam will do the trick. But if you want a super duper, stretchy slime, then you guys can add some lotion into it. So as you guys can see, our slime is ready. So let me know in the comment section down below if you like this slime recipe, because this is the most satisfying butter slime recipe. Like, can you guys see how pretty? My goodness, so satisfying, and it's literally beginner friendly slime recipe. It's literally non-sticky, you guys can play with it literally for hours and never get bored. Like, I'm literally playing with it for like 20 minutes at this point, while shooting this video, and I'm like literally addicted. And its color is also like super nice. It's like such a nice mocha nude, and it's just so pretty, you guys. I literally will give this recipe a 10 on 10. What else actually you need from a slime? Like, this is amazing. So let me know in the comment section down below how much you will rate the slime. I will personally rate it a 10 on 10 because like this is the best and it doesn't get any better than this, you guys. It's seriously super easy, super beginner friendly. So now let's move on to our next slime recipe. So for our next recipe, you will need a bowl. So let's take a bowl. So here's our bowl, and the first ingredient that we'll need is some peel off face mask. And this face mask is literally so good, you guys. It contains everything already. Now let's take some into our bowl. So now our next ingredient is water. So add some tap water into it. Now let's mix everything with this pretty spoon, and yeah, let's mix. Even my camera can't focus on it. It's literally so beautiful, you guys. Let me show you guys up close. Can you guys see the shimmer? It's literally my favorite peel off mask to use, you guys, because you know it has everything that is needed in a slime. Shimmer, clear, literally clear glue, and it's amazing. Let's see the sheen. Oh my god, wow. Now we'll make the Borax activator to activate our slime. So now let's see how to make that activator. So yeah, let's make the activator first. So for that, you'll first need a bowl. So here's our bowl. So in this bowl, you will need hot water. And you guys have to take hot tap water, not drinking water, because it doesn't work with drinking water. I have taken normal tap water because I am making slime right now. Like if we have a very hot activator, it will kind of melt the slime away. So that's why I'm using normal temperature water. Now I'm going to add the second ingredient for making this activator, which is baking soda. So you'll need about this much baking soda. A little bit more if you want to make a more concentrated activator. So first make sure the baking soda is completely dissolved. Now we'll add our next ingredient and the main ingredient, which is boric acid. Because you know, this is how we will able to make an actual slime without borax, is by adding baking soda and boric acid. And this actually is like super cheap. Like it's for like 25 rupees. So it's like super easily available in any pharmacy near you. And it's literally just for 25 rupees. And it makes a lot of activator. So it comes in a pouch like this. Now we'll add some boric acid and mix it all together. It is a little bit difficult to, you know, dissolve it in cold water, but that's why I'm telling you, you can use hot water and it will instantly dissolve. So yeah. So now that we have made our slime activator, now let's start making our slime, and yeah, let's activate. Add it just a little bit at a time. We don't want to overactivate our slime. So now that our slime is activated, I'm going to go in with my hands and knead it. So enjoy the ASMR, you guys. Can you guys look at that? It's literally so beautiful. Oh my god. And this is a no glue, no Borax slime, you guys. It literally doesn't get easier than this. It's literally so easy. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.